Hello everyone! We did it! We made it through a whole week! I just knew you could do it. This afternoon we do have cross-country practice from 4 to 5:30, and as a reminder, cross-country also has a meet tomorrow, Saturday, August 20th. Wishing you all endurance and speed at the meet. Time for today's review preview. For review, we are going to be reviewing PBIS Expectations this afternoon. Along with that, you will be creating your very own comic. Here's an example. This is one that I made earlier. I filled this out, and you will have a blank sheet just like this, and you can make your very own comic strip. I am very excited to see what you guys come up with, and if you do a really good job, make sure that you send it to me so that I can maybe use it in announcements when I'm talking about the PBIS expectations. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We'll talk to you next week.